Have you ever wondered what life would be like on Mars? Picture a world bathed in hues of red, with towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and the occasional dust storm. That's Mars for you, our neighboring planet, and potentially our future home. Our current understanding of the Martian environment paints a picture of a harsh, barren world. Its thin atmosphere, primarily made up of carbon dioxide, is incapable of supporting human life as we know it. The freezing temperatures, lack of water, and high radiation levels add to the inhospitable conditions. Yet, despite these challenges, the possibility of humans living on Mars is not entirely out of the question. Ongoing research and missions like NASA's Mars rover are continually exploring the feasibility of life on Mars. They're investigating ways to produce breathable air, viable food sources, and radiation shielding. So the prospect of living on Mars is not as far-fetched as it may seem, but it certainly presents some unique challenges. Now that we've established the possibility, the next pressing question is, how would humans survive on Mars? Well, the essentials for human survival are air, water, and food. Mars, though it has a thin atmosphere, lacks sufficient oxygen for us to breathe. But fear not, there are ways to produce oxygen on Mars, such as through the electrolysis of water or from carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere. Speaking of water, Mars does have it, albeit in the form of ice. We could potentially melt this ice for drinking, farming, and oxygen production. And food, well, we could use hydroponics or other advanced farming techniques to grow plants in Martian soil. But survival isn't just about the basics. We'll also need protection from harmful radiation and extreme temperatures. This means developing advanced spacesuits and habitats that can withstand Mars's harsh environment. Surviving on Mars would require us to push the boundaries of our current technology and adapt in ways we have never had to on Earth. Assuming we conquer the survival challenges, what would social life look like on Mars? A question that tickles the imagination. Human interaction and community building would take on new dimensions in the Martian landscape. Living in a confined space with a select group of individuals would require exceptional teamwork, patience, and mutual understanding. Psychological challenges would be inevitable. The isolation, the distance from Earth, the constant awareness of living on the edge of what's possible. These factors would necessitate robust mental health support systems and innovative coping strategies. Communication with Earth would be a lifeline, providing emotional sustenance and a vital link to our home planet. It would also be a conduit for sharing the Martian experience with the wider world. The establishment of a Martian culture would be a fascinating process. Over time, shared experiences, customs, and even language could evolve, creating a unique Martian identity. Life on Mars would undoubtedly be a unique social experiment unlike anything we've experienced before. So what do you think? Will it be possible?